Did you know that something as simple as your hairstyle could literally be a matter of life or death in a high-stakes environment? It sounds dramatic, but in the military, it's a reality. Today, we're diving deep into the world of military-approved hairstyles. Not just for regulations, but for genuine protection and peak performance. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this is Diary of a Hair Lover, a channel where you get to learn more about hair care, tips, and hairstyles. Do well to click on the subscribe button to join this great community. Also, let me know where you are watching from, so I can give you shout out in my next video, and don't forget to like this video. Today's topic is something many overlook: the strategic importance of hair. For a soldier, hair isn't just about looks, it's about survival. An improper hairstyle can get caught in equipment, obstruct your vision at a critical moment, or even become a handle for an adversary in close quarters combat. Think about it: operating in harsh environments. From scorching deserts to dense jungles, your hair needs to be the last of your worries. It needs to stay out of your face, fit comfortably under a helmet for hours on end, and not interfere with night vision goggles or gas masks. That's why military grooming standards are so strict. They're born from decades of practical life-or-death experience. It's about minimizing risks and maximizing efficiency when seconds count. So, what are these mission-ready hairstyles? Let's break them down. For men, the options are straightforward and built for function. The high and tight is iconic for a reason. With the sides and back shaved close to the skin and a short, manageable length on top, it's the ultimate low-maintenance cut. It promotes cooling, dries quickly, and ensures a perfect seal with any headgear. There's no hair to get in your eyes, no strands to get snagged. Another popular choice is the buzz cut. Using a single guard length all over, it's even simpler. This cut is perfect for rapid deployment scenarios where access to barbers is non-existent. It's the epitome of set it and forget it. Then you have the crew cut, which leaves a bit more length on top, allowing for some minimal styling while still keeping the sides tapered and clean. This offers a balance between a civilian look and military practicality, but it requires a bit more upkeep to stay within regulation. Each of these styles ensures that a helmet fits snugly, communication gear rests properly on the ear, and there's absolutely no visual impairment. It's pure, unadulterated function over form. Now, for female soldiers, the challenges are different, and the approved styles are incredibly resourceful. The primary goal is to secure longer hair so it poses no hazard. The classic bun is a go-to, but it can't be just any bun. It must be neat, tight, and positioned so it doesn't interfere with the fit of a helmet or headgear. A bun that's too high or too low can create pressure points under a helmet, leading to severe headaches and preventing the helmet from sitting quadrado to offer maximum protection. The regulations are precise for this reason. Another fantastic option is the braid. A single, tight braid down the back or two. French braids, secured fadersly, are excellent for keeping hair contained during physically demanding activities. Braids prevent tangles, are incredibly secure, and distribute the weight of the hair evenly. Some female service members even opt for shorter bob-length cuts that are above the collar, eliminating the need to tie their hair up at all. This is especially practical in hot climates. The key takeaway for all these styles, male or female, is containment and control. Your hair should never be a liability. But if we had to pick one hairstyle that truly stands out for its all-around protective qualities and has been praised operadors, service members, it would have to be the tightly secured bun or the high-end tight buzz cut, depending on gender and hair length. The high-end tight meant I could throw on my helmet, my gas mask, whatever, and never think twice. It's one less thing to worry about when you're focused on the mission. You sweat, it dries, it rains, it dries. It's foolproof. And a female army captain shared, learning to do a perfect regulation bun was a game changer. I could go from a patrol to a briefing without my hair being a wreck. It stayed secure through PT, ruck marches, everything. A loose strand of Ventos in your eye at the wrong moment could be disastrous. A secure bun is armor for your head. These testimonials highlight the core principle. A military hairstyle is a piece of personal protective equipment. It's as crucial as your boots or your body armor. It's about creating a system where every detail, no matter how small, contributes to your safety and effectiveness. The most protective hairstyle is the one you don't have to think about. So, to recap, we've looked at why military hairstyles are so much more than just a dress code. They are a critical component of a soldier's readiness and safety. For men, the high-end tight, buzz cut, and crew cut offer no fuss, maximum function solutions that ensure headgear fits perfectly and vision is never obstructed. For women, the tightly secured bun, braids, and authorized shortcuts are designed to keep longer hair completely contained and out of the way, preventing it from becoming a hazard in training or combat. The common thread is simple: control. In an environment where you must control everything you can, starting with your own hair is a fundamental discipline. These styles aren't about fashion, they're about function, safety, and the professional mindset of a warrior. They are a visual representation of the discipline and attention to detail that defines military life. I hope this gives you a new perspective on military grooming standards. It's been awesome sharing this with you. Let me know in the comments where you're watching from. Love seeing our global community grow, and I'll give some shoutouts in my next video. If you found this valuable, do me a huge favor and hit that like button. Click subscribe so you don't miss our next upload, and share this with any of your friends in the service. They'll appreciate it. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.